A major change to existing rules on packaging is that the new PPWR will obligate all packaging to be recyclable to be put on the market, making packaging recyclability an effective market access condition. According to the new rules on packaging, all packaging will have to be recyclable to be placed on the EU market. And this concept of recyclability will be defined by two concepts. Packaging will have to be designed for recycling and will have to be separately collected and recycled at scale. From 1st January 2030, packaging will have to be designed for recycling, and 5 years later, from 1st January 2035, packaging will have to be recycled at scale. And the Commission will have to define through secondary legislation the design for recycling criteria and as well the methodology to assess the recyclability at scale of a packaging. The recyclability of each packaging will be expressed in recyclability performance grades, A, B, or C, and those recyclability performance grades will be used for the modulation of extended producer responsibility fees that the producers pay to place packaging on the market. But this concept of recyclability performance grade goes one step further and will actually define in the future what will be allowed on the EU market and what will not. Any packaging with a recyclability performance grade lower than 70% will be prohibited by 1st January 2030. And any packaging that has a performance grade that is equal or higher to 70% will then be prohibited by 1st January 2038. Certain packaging types will be exempted from the requirements on recyclability in the future PPWR, and they concern various types of packaging. Recyclability requirements will be a key foundation of how the packaging of the future will look like. And although a lot of details on those requirements remain to be defined by the European Commission via secondary legislation, it is really important that companies closely monitor the developments of those requirements and get ready for the changes ahead.